Okay, hello, welcome back. In this section, we're going to be talking about the page manager. This is another area that you're going to spend a lot of time on. Well, certainly I do. And just like the list manager that we spoke about in the previous video course training, this section as well. I mean, I spend a lot of time in both of these because I'm managing my list. And in order to build your list, you need to get people onto your list somehow. And the best way of doing it is to set up a lead capture page so that they can then get onto your list. Okay, now I'm not going to cover too much about share codes and stuff because we've got videos elsewhere about specific share codes that you might have been given access to by your sponsor, whatever business you're involved in. So if you, for example, if you're in LiveGood, we've got some share codes for our LiveGood business. So get back with your sponsor and ask for share codes specifically about those particular landing pages or capture pages, and then there's a video specific about that, and it covers absolutely every aspect of setting up your page using the share code that you've been given, and then making it go live. So you got everything you need with those particular videos anyway. So I'm going to talk about the basics of page managers and how to get a page added into your account from scratch. Okay, so this doesn't assume that you've already got any kind of share codes. So forget about the share codes for the moment. This is going to get you set up with your own page starting from scratch. We've got some built-in templates within Leads Leap, and I'm going to show you how to use those templates. All right, so let's get started. First thing you need to do is to click on this button here, add a new campaign. Now, regardless of this stage, whether you are deciding to make a thank you page or a landing page or a lead capture page or a squeeze page or whatever page, just forget about that for the moment. Let's just think about, just adding in a page, and that's it for the moment. So give the page a name, my new page or whatever. Okay, anything you like, whatever. This is your label. It's going to tell you what you need to know about this particular page, because if you have loads of pages, you need to distinguish what this page is for and what its purpose is. So give it a good name and then add that campaign in there. So at this stage, we don't have a page. Okay, we just have a campaign. It's already got a URL, but if you go to that URL, you're not going to see anything. Okay. So you've got a few settings here. We're not going to go over everything, but I will cover most things. So you need to add in a page. Okay, so click the button here. Now, in the past, in other videos, I've told you, when we do videos specifically about certain share codes that many of you have already gotten access to. And if you haven't got any of those particular share codes, just talk to your sponsor and we'll be able to get you access to those. So don't worry. But in this video, we're going to talk about adding a blank page. Okay, so what that's going to do is it's going to guide you to launch the editor. Hold on a minute. My browser's just loading. Okay, so launch the editor. Now it presents you with done for you lead capture pages or thank you pages, review pages, sales pages, download pages, you name it, whatever. Let's start with an opt-in page. An opt-in page, some people call it the squeeze page. Some people, technically it's not really a squeeze page. I call it a lead capture page, okay, because it's capturing leads. But some people call it an opt-in page because they're basically opting in. It's the same thing. So pick a page that you like the look of. It could be one with a video. It could be one without a video. It could be one, you see the templates here. Let me just pick something simple, such as, I don't know. I don't want to. Okay, let's pick this one. Just a really simple one. Okay, so you've got full control over everything. It's a complete drag and drop editor, and if you make any mistakes, you can undo it. You've got a little undo button. Okay, so you're starting off with a template. Okay, and you've got most of what you need already in here. Okay, this is just a simple lead capture page. You've already got the form in here. You can change things around if you want to. You can put the email below it. Okay, and then it snaps to grid, so it's pretty cool. And if you need a grid just for the guide, you can turn the grid on. My grid is not coming on for some reason. That's interesting. Don't know why that is. Anyway, not that it matters. But if you want to, if you got over here and you want to center it up, you can just click the middle button here, and it centers it up. Okay, so you've got nice little tools to work with. I generally like having the name field above and then the email option below. You can change the little field here, such as enter your email here. I like to give people very clear instructions, because and then here you can put in just highlight anything here with your mouse. Just highlight it, and then you'll get the settings panel. Okay, and then I just like to put the name. It says input your placeholder. Okay, enter your name here. Okay, and then just select it, and it adds that in there. You can change all this information. You just select whatever you want to select. You can just change it. Attention, this is time sensitive offer. Please act fast. That's pretty generic. Why not keep it? Get my free guide on how to build an online business fast. Or I don't know. You get the idea. You can change it to whatever you like. It's up to you. And put your text in. You can change the images. If you make a mistake, you can go to undo, and then you confirm changes. So obviously, one thing you need to do is you need to follow these instructions. It says important next step. Click here now. So choose a list. Okay, and then an email list. You need to check this box here and select the email list, because we've already been through this section. This section is the list manager, and anything that you've created in the previous training, the email list manager there. If you've created any lists, in my case, Live Good Follow Up, why not put that in there? So that'll be added into there, and then a redirect. Okay, maybe I'll send them to this redirect page. Okay, so I'll just copy the redirect page and then put that in there. Okay, and then that's done. Okay, I'll close that and then I'll save it. Okay, work saved, done. So yeah, as I told you in the previous training, we talked about the list manager. Okay, that's how you're going to collect leads. Okay, so that's what I was doing over there. That's how you're going to collect the leads. So when they put the name and an email address and they click the button, they'll be added into your mailing list, and the first email will go out. Okay, and I also set up a redirect. So when your leads opt in, they'll go to this page. Okay, and then they'll be able to join you in your business, or be able to download an ebook or whatever. Okay. There are a bunch of other settings. I mean, if you mouse over your main content, you've got things like, add in a new text item, add in a link element. You can add in all kinds of things, a little image, any images you want. If you want to put in your picture, you just click that, and then you just put in put it wherever you want. And then you put your mouse in the settings here. You can choose any pictures in the library, or you got your own My Gallery here. So, you can upload a picture of yourself. You can either drag and drop from your desktop, or if you, or you can upload it from your desktop. But I've already got a picture of myself. I just want to put that in there, and that's fine. I can drag it to anywhere I want. I can resize it and change the aspect ratio or whatever. I know the page doesn't look very good at the moment, but you can play around with it. And at the end of the day, if you spend a little bit of time on it, you can make it look like a better page for yourself. Something like that, just simple stuff. You can change everything. You can move stuff around. You can change whatever you want. You can replace it with another image. do whatever you want, you know. Maybe change it with a banner. Anyway, you can do anything you want. I mean, you can put text over images. You can drag everything. Everything can be hovered over and layered. You can put anything in the foreground or in the background or anything you like. You can change the background image, background type. I'm going to use image, and then I can just put in anything I want in the background. Okay, such as this if I want to, and then my background has now changed. Okay, that'll do. And you have control over the brightness. You can change the brightness. You can do blur if you want to. And there are a number of things you can do. You can change the opacity if you want to. Oops, doesn't look like that's going to happen. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So yeah, it's up to you how you do it. So yeah, there it is. I mean, there's your page. I wasn't planning on showing you how to make a really cool page necessarily, but you know, at least you have something to start with, and that just gives you an idea as to, you know, how much time you want to spend on making your own pages. But the chances are you're probably going to be able to get share codes of pages that's your upline or somebody has done for you. In which case, now you understand. Not only do you understand how the page builder works, and you know, anything you do import from a share code, you know, you have the knowledge now and know how to edit it if you want to, and customize it the way you want. But that was just, you know, that's just really the purpose of this video, is just to give you basic understanding of the simple editor and what we've got here. You've got a tutorial at the top here. Okay, so you can click here and you can go through the tutorial. You've got a full preview of the page so that you can see it. And then you can click what it looks like on a tablet. You can click what it looks like on a mobile device. Okay, and so on. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching. Anyway, I'll close that down now. And in the next, next part of this video, I'm just going to talk about tracking. Actually, this page is not active. Make sure your page is active. So we've got tracking tools built within this system. So you can drop this down, or you can drop this down, either one, and just check the tracking source code. This is a new page. There's no tracking, but you can go to another page with you know, some hits. So if you get a lot of hits, for example, you can just check here and see where the hits are coming from. For example, I'm getting hits from different sources, okay, from Google, from Facebook, from other places. And it says, you know, total hits, it got unique hits. In other words, people who came in individually. Okay, some people come and click twice or 2 or 3 times. That's why the numbers are different there and there. The real hits are basically people who they reckon have stayed on your page for at least 5 seconds. That's what they class as being a real hit. Opt-ins, these are people who actually, you know, decided to put their name and email address on the page and opted in. So that's useful. The conversion A and conversion B. This is maybe for advanced users. However, what you can do is you can you go to the top here, okay, and you can grab for a capture page. Let's say, for example, you've got a lead capture page. Okay, so what you can do is you can grab, say, we've just done a lead capture page at the top here. And you can grab the conversion A code, okay, grab that code, okay, and then copy that code down. And then when you got a bridge page, okay, such as here, let's say this is a bridge page, you can put your code, where is it? Haven't used this for a while. Yes, okay, yeah, I think it's, hold on. No, here it is. Yeah, that's it. So you can go here and you can put in your bridge page or your thank you page, you can put the code that you got from your lead capture page in there. Okay. Again, guys, you can just mouse over the question mark just to understand how it works. But this is the code from the lead capture page that I'm pasting into the page here of the redirect page, the thank you page. And then when you click save, you're going to be able to track if that person or that hit, that view, had actually visited that thank you page, or it could be any page. It could be a steps page. It could be the final page in your funnel or whatever. This is more used for for a funnel that involves a product that you're selling that has multiple steps. It's just a way to track as they go through the entire funnel whether or not that same lead visited the various steps of the funnel. You can also do the same for the conversion B as well. So if they actually bought the product or whatever. So for most people, you probably won't need to bother with that. So that's just covering, what that is. So anyway, that's basically the basics of how to set up a page. There are other aspects of it, but always just check the tutorial, and so that you can understand how to import a share code, what is a blank traffic, what is bulk traffic and why it's not allowed. Okay, where to access, all kinds of topics right over here. It's searchable. It's a searchable database. So check the tutorial, and it'll basically cover everything you need. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next training. Bye for now.